Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Languages with Halit Ümit YouTube channel. Today we will learn das Deutsche Alphabet. It means German alphabet, and after them we will do some examples. It means das Spiel in German. If you are ready, let's get started. Das Deutsche Alphabet. First I say the letter, then you repeat. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, 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 X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Apart from these, there are also some other letters. Let's look at them. First, I say the letter, then you repeat. E, E, Ö, Ö, Ü, Ü, S, S. It means double S. Some letters come together and pronounce differently. Let's look at them. E, I come together, pronounce I, I. For example, 9, 9. I, E come together, pronounce E, E. For example, Z, Z. E, U come together, Oy, Oy. For example, Europa, Europa. S, P come together, Sh, Sh. For example, Sport, Sport. S, T come together, Sht, Sht. For example, Stein, Stein. S, C, H come together, Sh, Sh. For example, Schule, Schule. T, S, C, H come together, Ch, Ch. For example, Deutsch, Deutsch. P, F come together, F, F. For example, philosoph, philosoph. C, H come together, for example, Ich. Ich. Das Beispiel. It means exercise in English. In our exercise, we will read a dialogue. In this dialogue, we will learn how to spell our names. Let's read. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? It means, what is your name? Ich heiße Halit. Ich heiße Halit. My name is Halit. Wie bitte? Wie bitte? I don't understand. Ich buchstabiere. I spell H A L I T. H A L I T. I spell H A L I T. Danke. Thank you. Bitte. You're welcome. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video. See you soon. Tschüss.